In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account to your PayPal business account. This is an essential step to ensure your business transactions run smoothly, enabling seamless transfers and payouts. So let's get into it. Start by navigating to PayPal's website and log into your business account. Once you've accessed the dashboard, which is your home base on PayPal, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the option that says Link a Bank. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding your bank details to your PayPal account. After you click on Link a Bank, you'll be prompted with a new screen asking you to choose the type of bank account you want to link. PayPal typically offers several options for account types tailored to different banking needs. However, for most business transactions, it's advisable to opt for a savings account as it often provides better terms for managing business finances. Go ahead and select Savings from the menu. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your international bank account number or IBAN. This step is crucial as the IBAN ensures that your bank is recognized internationally for transactions. Make sure to double check the number you enter to prevent any errors in linking your account. A typo could lead to unnecessary delays, and nobody wants that in the business world. With your IBAN sorted, the next requirement is to select your currency. PayPal supports multiple currencies, so make sure to choose the one that aligns with your business's primary transaction currency to avoid conversion fees. For this guide, let's assume we're selecting the US dollar, a common choice for international business dealings. Simply click on US dollar to proceed. As you continue, PayPal will highlight the next steps to guide you through to completion. You might see prompts like, click on person highlight percent, and these are designed to make the process more intuitive. Simply follow these instructions on the screen. Moving on, you may need to input additional details like sort codes or bank codes depending on your location. This information ensures that PayPal accurately links to the correct bank branch and account. Again, precision is key here. Finally, you'll encounter prompts that might look like click on 00s in AMA Sharjah. While this sounds quite technical, it simply refers to regional bank codes. Choose the correct coordinates based on your bank's location. Then you'll see an option that says Business Virtual Carry Hub, which is part of PayPal's verification to confirm the kind of business account you are operating. Confirm this to proceed. Now the last step is to click on Link Your Bank. This action finalizes the connection and you should receive a confirmation message from PayPal indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Make sure to check your bank account statement in the following days for any small verification deposits that PayPal might use to confirm the new setup. And that's it. You've successfully linked your bank account to your PayPal business account. This connection is now ready to support your incoming and outgoing transactions, ensuring that your business operations remain seamless and efficient